Hello, I'm in a 2012 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you to open your rear trunk door. So first, you make sure all the doors are unlocked, which you can do from your key or from here. And then you can also, from your key, typically you have a double button here to push that to open it. And you want to make sure there's power in your vehicle. If there's no power at all, that would make this harder because this is an electronic system. But from here, I'll just press and pull, and you can see here there's a button right under this light. That's what I push to pull it up. And this electronic system, you can hear that clicking, that's releasing here. And this is where it was hooked onto. So, and if you're having issues with this system, you can try to pop this plastic out to get in from the inside. But ideally, just make sure your car's fully charged, and that should be how you generally can open this. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.